kind of experience. She just talked to the waitress in like perfect Vietnamese, and I was like, wow, I could listen to her all day.
Thank you, because I'm a Vietnamese, so it's not like language ability. It's really nice that I'm here today with my dear friend Lottie on our...
Is this going on YouTube?
Yes, why not? On our usual food discovery.
Nice. All right. We will go to the buffet now and get some stuff so that you guys see the magic happen here later.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. We have the seafood, shrimp, and fish tofu, really nice. And also, yeah, beef ball and sweet. Yes, of course. And mussel. Oh, and this must be really nice, like fish ball.
Are you sure? But it's like
no, it's fish mussel is here.
Wow,
yeah.
You're right. Damn, of course. Thank God I'm with a pro. I can't stand those people.
And also some beef stomach, in case you want something exotic. This is a healthy section where you could get all of the veggies.
I love it.
And we have the corn.
Corn. It's corn.
And what else? Oh, I really like that. It's like the crab cake.
Crab cake.
Yes. Oh, this is pak choy.
Yeah, pak choy is always a good choice, right? Isn't it?
Because there's a choice in pak choy, so it's always a good choice to have pak choy.
She's on fire today, as always. Okay, what else should I take?
This one is go very well. Oh, and I think this is morning glory. If you know morning glory, it's a very typical kind of veggies in
kind of.
Asia. Yeah, yeah. Maybe a bit. That then you can try if you like it.
It's too light. It's too much already. All right. I took everything like a bit.
One more veggies because we have
this stuff here. The glass.
Oh yeah, the glass noodle is really good, and also the mushroom.
Oh yeah.
And another kind of mushroom, and also the ramen.
Since it's all you can eat, we have to make it worth, you know. I think we need a bigger, how you call it?
Look at Lottie already, a plate full of stuff.
Like, this is how I balance my life, you know. Barely making it.
Oh, and then you should try it, but then I recommend you try. You put a different plate.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. It should be
this is a really good.
True. Hold on.
Okay. Some mushroom and some bamboo. And this is the lotus. The lotus.
Like I said, I think we need maybe another.
Yeah, of course.
Thing to really make it work. Okay. Maybe
all right.
Okay, let's get some. Tell me what I should do.
Okay. So first, I would always put like a lot of onions. Can you eat onions?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
But this is onions.
Yeah, this one.
Alright.
And then top it up with garlic.
A lot of it?
If you can. I love garlic, so...
Not that much, you know, like... I'm not kissing anyone today, but...
Yeah. And then, I would always go with some peanuts.
Crushed peanuts?
Crushed peanuts, yes. Exactly.
Right.
And then some...
Where's the sesame oil?
Yeah, I'm looking at the sesame oil, but I couldn't find it. Oh, here. Yeah.
So how much is enough?
Maybe more.
More?
Yeah. Yes, that would be fine. And then some soy sauce.
Some soy sauce? Like this?
More.
Oh my god.
More, please.
More. Oh my god, more? That's
yeah. Okay, and I think you have a good base now. So now you only need to decide whether you want to put of the seafood juice or oyster sauce. Now you need to decide.
Which one would you pick?
I would always pick oyster sauce.
Okay, I will go with the prosciutto. Like this?
More!
Oh my gosh.
More, please.
She's so feisty today. Jesus. Okay, but that is alright, right?
Yes.
Okay.
look at the meat.
Super quick.
And then this is the frog. And that's it for today food discovery. Thank you for joining with us and my friend Lottie in this trip, and see you in the next videos.